Welcome back to the Basics Hub. Are you a busy mom or dad trying to juggle it all? If you're a parent, you know that every minute counts. Between work, school runs, extracurricular activities, and household chores, finding time for everything can feel like an impossible juggling act. But what if I told you there are ways to streamline your daily routine and reclaim some of that precious time? Today, we're sharing 10 time-saving hacks that will help busy parents like you manage their days more efficiently. Whether you're a working parent, a stay-at-home parent, or somewhere in between, these tips are designed to make your life easier and give you more quality time with your family. Let's dive in and discover how to make the most of every minute. Segment 1. Meal prepping. Our first hack is all about meal prepping. We all know the struggle of coming home after a long day and figuring out what to feed the family. Meal prepping can be a game changer, saving you hours during the week and reducing daily stress. Start by planning your meals for the week. Choose recipes that can be easily prepared in bulk and stored well. Next, create a shopping list and do one big grocery run. Then, set aside a few hours on the weekend for your prep session. By meal prepping, you're not only saving time but also ensuring your family eats healthy, home-cooked meals even on the busiest days. Pro tip: invest in good quality, microwave-safe containers to make reheating a breeze. Worried about food getting boring? Mix things up by prepping components that can be combined in different ways. For example, grilled chicken can be used in salads, wraps, or pasta dishes throughout the week. Segment 2. Creating a family calendar. Our second hack is all about staying organized with a family calendar. With multiple schedules to juggle, it's easy for things to fall through the cracks. A centralized family calendar can be a lifesaver. You have two main options here: digital or physical. For a digital solution, apps like Google Calendar or Cozy allow you to create shared calendars that sync across devices. For a physical option, consider a large wall calendar in a high-traffic area of your home. Whichever option you choose, color coding can be helpful. Assign each family member a color, or use different colors for various types of activities like school, work, and extracurriculars. Don't forget to set up reminders for important events. Make it a habit to update the calendar regularly. You might even want to have a weekly family meeting to go over the upcoming schedule. With a family calendar in place, you'll reduce scheduling conflicts, ensure everyone's on the same page, and even teach your kids valuable time management skills. Segment 3. Designated homework station. Our third hack focuses on creating a designated homework station. A dedicated space for schoolwork can significantly improve focus and efficiency, saving time and reducing stress for both kids and parents. Choose a quiet area in your home with good lighting. This could be a corner of the living room, a spot in the kitchen, or even a small desk in your child's bedroom. Stock the area with all necessary supplies: pens, pencils, paper, calculators, and any frequently used textbooks or reference materials. Use organizers or containers to keep everything tidy and easily accessible. Minimize distractions by keeping the area clutter-free. Consider using noise-canceling headphones if your child works better with some background music. A designated homework station not only saves time searching for materials, but also helps establish a routine. When kids sit down at their homework station, it signals that it's time to focus. Pro tip: keep a family calendar or whiteboard nearby to track assignment due dates and upcoming tests. Segment 4. Batch cooking snacks. Our fourth hack is all about batch cooking snacks. We all know how important healthy snacks are for growing kids, but preparing them daily can be time-consuming. That's where batch cooking comes in. Set aside some time on the weekend to prepare a variety of snacks for the week. This could include cutting up fruits and vegetables, baking homemade granola bars, or preparing protein-packed energy balls. Store these snacks in portion-sized grab-and-go containers. This makes it easy for kids to choose their own snacks and helps control portion sizes. Some great options include sliced apples with individual portions of peanut butter, carrot sticks with hummus, homemade trail mix, or yogurt parfaits with granola and berries. Batch cooking snacks not only saves you time during the week, but also ensures your kids have access to healthy options. It can also be a great way to get your kids involved in the kitchen. Segment 5. Setting up routines. Our fifth hack is all about setting up routines. Consistent routines can be a lifesaver for busy families, helping to reduce stress and save time, especially during hectic mornings and evenings. Start by creating a morning routine. This might include waking up at a consistent time, having clothes laid out the night before, and assigning specific tasks to each family member. For younger children, consider creating a visual checklist of morning tasks. This can include things like making the bed, getting dressed, eating breakfast, and packing their school bag. Evening routines are just as important. This might include tasks like packing lunches for the next day, laying out clothes, and having a consistent bedtime routine for kids. Consistent routines help children know what to expect, reducing arguments and making transitions smoother. They also teach valuable time management skills. Segment 6. Utilizing technology. Our sixth hack focuses on utilizing technology. In today's digital age, there are countless apps and tools designed to make parents' lives easier. Let's explore some ways technology can save you time and reduce stress. Grocery delivery apps like Instacart or Amazon Fresh can save you hours each week. Simply create your shopping list in the app and schedule a delivery time that works for you. Family organization apps like Cozy or Our Home can help you manage schedules, to-do lists, and even grocery lists all in one place. These apps can be synced across devices, ensuring everyone in the family is on the same page. Smart home devices can also be incredibly helpful. Use voice assistants like Alexa or Google Home to set reminders, add items to your shopping list, or even help kids with homework questions. Segment 7. Quick cleaning hacks. Our seventh hack is all about quick cleaning. Let's face it, with kids in the house, messes are inevitable. But with some smart strategies, you can keep your home tidy without spending hours cleaning. Keep multi-surface cleaners and microfiber cloths in key areas of your home for quick cleanups. This allows you to tackle messes as they happen, preventing bigger cleanup jobs later. Implement a daily 5-minute tidy-up routine. Set a timer and have everyone in the family put away their belongings. This quick daily habit can prevent clutter from accumulating. Learn some cleaning shortcuts. For example, use a squeegee on carpets to quickly gather pet hair, or use dryer sheets to clean baseboards. They repel dust and leave a fresh scent. Our eighth hack is about involving kids in household chores. This not only teaches them valuable life skills but also lightens your load as a parent. Assign age-appropriate chores. For younger children, this might include simple tasks like putting toys away or setting the table. Older kids can handle more complex chores like doing laundry or preparing simple meals. Make chores fun by turning them into games. You could set a timer and see who can pick up the most toys in 5 minutes, or play music and have a cleaning dance party. Consider using a chore chart or app to track completed tasks. You might want to implement a reward system to motivate kids, but remember, the goal is to instill a sense of responsibility, not to create a transactional relationship. Our ninth hack focuses on planning family activities ahead of time. This not only ensures quality family time but also reduces the stress of last-minute planning. Set aside time once a month to plan out family activities. This could include game nights, movie marathons, outdoor adventures, or local events. Involve everyone in the planning process to ensure activities appeal to all family members. Add these activities to your family calendar. This gives everyone something to look forward to and helps in planning around other commitments. Once activities are planned, prepare for them in advance. If you're planning a movie night, make sure you have the movie downloaded or rented. For outdoor activities, have gear and snacks ready to go. Planning activities in advance not only saves time, but also ensures you're making the most of your family time. It gives everyone something to look forward to and can help create lasting memories. Our final hack is all about streamlining your wardrobe. A well-organized closet can save you precious time in the morning rush and reduce decision fatigue. Start by decluttering your closet. Keep only the items you love and actually wear. Consider donating or selling items that no longer fit or suit your lifestyle. Consider creating a capsule wardrobe, a collection of versatile mix-and-match pieces that you love. This makes getting dressed easier and faster. Organize your closet in a way that makes sense for you. This might mean grouping clothes by color, type, or occasion. Use matching hangers for a neater look, and consider using closet organizers to maximize space. Save time in the mornings by planning outfits in advance. A streamlined wardrobe can significantly reduce morning stress and save you time. Remember, the goal is to make getting dressed easier, not to create a perfect Instagram-worthy closet. We've covered 10 fantastic time-saving hacks for busy parents. Meal prepping, creating a family calendar, setting up a homework station, batch cooking snacks, establishing routines, utilizing technology, quick cleaning hacks, involving kids in chores, planning family activities, and streamlining your wardrobe. These strategies are designed to help you manage your time more effectively and reduce daily stress. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the Basics Hub for more parenting advice and life hacks. We'd love to hear from you. What time-saving hacks do you use in your family? Share your ideas in the comments below.